Hi there, how's it going? This is Ash from Fetch Profits. What you're looking at on the screen is one of the greatest blunders I have done in my entire life. It'll be hard for you to fathom. I've been a marketer for around 18 plus years. I've been a major advocate of email marketing. I've helped build email automation sequences, email broadcasts, write copy for emails, design emails for clients, manage their entire automation sequences with emails. I could never come around to do this for myself, and it hurts. Today, after 18 years, I really don't have a list to begin with. I never really put this into action for my own brand. You're looking at some 96 total subscribers that I don't even know how they signed up or what they signed up for. On MailChimp, you will see another 858 contacts that I have no idea where they signed up for. And if I send them a simple broadcast now, I can assure you that they will all unsubscribe because they have no idea who I am, what my brand signifies, what I do, and how I'm of any value to them. And for the advocate that I am on email marketing, this is almost embarrassing. And if I were to start again, now I have to start from scratch. I need to get started with a platform of my choice. I need to start building up my email list. And the reason why I want to do that, and that's where I'm coming to now, is because an email list is something that you'll absolutely own. Unlike traffic source such as Meta ads or a traffic source such as Google ads or any other platform that you might be active on, such as X, such as LinkedIn, such as YouTube, or any other platform that you are active on, you will realize that you really do not have control on the exposure, on the reach, on the leads you generate, and on the platform itself. You never know what happens to any platform at any given time. And for that reason, you really need something that's in your hands and that's something that you own. So every list that you build out here, this particular segment here within MailChimp, for example, where you have this audience dashboard, everybody who signed up with you here, they've all signed up saying that I like what you're saying, I like what you're giving away, I like what you represent, and I want to be associated with you. I want to hear more from you. I want to get access to offers that you might send out often, and I want to be a part of what you're doing, part of your growth as a brand. And this is extremely powerful. Most of us neglect, and I'm getting started today about with email. You can start with any email platform of your choice. Pick MailChimp, Klaviyo, Kit.com, Tiny Email, pick anything you want. It doesn't matter what you pick, but what matters is that you get started today. And for getting started with respect to email marketing, please do remember that a lot of businesses I know of tend to gravitate towards the easier part of email marketing, which they call email marketing, but it's not really email marketing. They tend to purchase entire lists of people from shady vendors, and they tend to send out all of these emails. So you send out to a list of around 100,000 people who have never heard from you, who don't know who you are, and you're reaching out to their inboxes, hoping and praying that somebody clicks on some link over there or some button and purchase from you. That is not email marketing. Do not call that email marketing. That is not how email marketing works. Like Seth Godin says, this email marketing is all about permission-based marketing. It's all about opting in to receive updates from you, to receive offers from you, to receive more information from you. So when we are calling it a campaign here, but this campaign is strictly and categorically only to people who signed up with you. Preferably double opt-in. What that means is that they signed up, they went back to their inbox, they clicked on a link that confirms their registration, and that's how you go about doing double opt-in, and never ever send out email to anybody who is not opted into your email. To try and build that email list and do not do the mistakes that I did before. And the best part about email marketing and automation is the fact that everybody who signs up for whatever it is that you're giving away, you can associate them with tags as shown here. For example, somebody signed up with a launch discount, somebody signed up as a freebie download. You can even specify which freebie download if you have multiple freebies that you give away, and you can create segments as well. For example, there are people who are regular subscribers, there are people who subscribe to your courses, there are people who subscribe to your coaching, there are people who subscribe to your newsletter, there are people who purchase more than $100 worth of merchandise on your store or $100 worth of services on your store, and you can create these segments including VIP customer segments and ensure that you are sending out relevant, personalized and timely emails to them, addressing them by their name. And you do that using email. Can be broadcast, can be simple automations, and you can build all of those automations right from here. You have pre-built journeys that are available within many email providers including MailChimp. You can also have transactional emails. Let's say for your Shopify store, when somebody purchases something, you send out order updates, you send out shipment updates, and so on. I don't want you to repeat the mistake I did, and hence I'm talking about why you need to consider email marketing. I'm going to do that today. If you are going to do that, please do let me know in the comments below. If you're already using email marketing, let me know how that journey has been, and let me know what kind of amazing things you've achieved with email marketing in the comments below. If you like this video, please do like it and share it. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. This is Ash from Fetch Profits, signing out.